Hey Diecast lovers, what's up? It's Marcos and time for pack hunting. You can still sub the channel if you don't do this like that. So leave the like, subscribe, and let's do it. Just only 3 premium cars. You can see 70-50 per car. We have Yenko Stringer, Mercedes-Benz, and J. Leno. What we have? We have some minelines, so let's have a look what we can find here. This is the cars from 2022. From 2023. And here we got some Matchbox. Okay, some monster trucks from Hot Wheels. Monster Jam. And that's it, to be honest. I don't see nothing more at the moment. Well, another day, another experience. You can see what we find today, and not too bad, not too bad. We're still waiting for more mineline for 2023, but let's have a look what we find the next time. Let it go.